Hi everyone. I'm excited to share that the Leadership Evaluation and Selection Committee is now accepting nominations for this year's prestigious awards: Realtor of the Year, Rookie of the Year, Affiliate of the Year, and the Good Neighbor of the Year award. This is your chance to recognize outstanding base members for their incredible contributions to our profession, our membership, and our community. Maybe that remarkable member is you. Nominations are open until October 15th, 2024. For more details or to submit a nomination, just visit our website. We're looking for candidates who exemplify ethical and professional behavior, actively engaging in both real estate and community service. Remember, nominees can be put forward in multiple categories, but they'll only be considered for one. Don't wait. Honor a remarkable member by submitting a nomination today. Let's come together to celebrate the spirit of excellence in our community. Remember, nominations close October 15th, 2024. Let's shine a light on those who make a difference.